Hey guys, this is Robin Rana. I'm the sous chef at the Ternary, Novotel, Sydney, Darling Harbour. Today we are going to use Fortune basmati rice making fish pulao. This is whole baby mackerels we got today. You can use any white farm fish. Cut the heads off, slit the belly, give it a wash, dry it a little bit. We're going to cut them in cutlets. We are going to marinate it with some ginger garlic paste, turmeric, allspice, bit of cumin and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Salt over it, marinate it very gently. We will keep it in the fridge while it's getting flavored. We need some diced onion, puree tomato, or you can dice some fresh tomatoes and cook it through. Green chilies. Here I got some ghee. Keep it on a medium heat. Now we're going to add the black mustard seed. Our onions. You want to cook these onions till they get brown. Meanwhile, we can fry our fish in a separate pan. We're gonna it's getting color as well. We give the fish a flip. Onions are almost ready. We're going to add ginger garlic paste. Our fish is ready. Take off the heat. Now you can add your ground spices, turmeric, allspice. If you like a bit spicy, you can add some chili powder. We're going to add chopped tomatoes. We take this fish out. Now we do not want to waste the flavor in here, so we're just gonna put it back on heat. Grab all the goodness. Our masala is ready. Adding some sea salt. So now the rice is going in. Mix the rice through. Now we're going to add this water. Put it on a medium heat and put a lid on it to make sure it cooks even. We add green chilies, put the fish and let it cook another few minutes. It's almost ready. You want to stir it a little bit. Here we have fish pulao. We're going to garnish it with some beautiful coriander, some lime, some fresh fried curry leaves. There you go, Bengali favorite fish pulao.